Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what are we going to do today? Well, today is Pumpkin Plaooza number 3. And what it is we're going to do a party treat, you know, for the holidays. So if you've got some people over for a gathering or whatever the case may be, we're going to make pumpkin shots. Alright, but first things first. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, share us with your friends. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to be surprised how so easy this is. Alright, so first thing that we're going to do, we'll take our mixing bowl, and this is Jello pumpkin spice pudding. And it needs to be the instant pudding, okay? It needs to be the instant pudding. So we're going to put that into the bowl first. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a half a cup of milk. Half a cup of milk, and then you can use whatever spirit you like. I'm going to be using some bourbon. Rum would be very good. Yeah, anything. So we want a half a cup of your favorite spirit. Just remember to keep these pudding shots away from younger people in the crowd, okay? So, then what we're going to need, I'm going to just take a whisk and just give that a little quick stir. And then we got an 8-ounce of whipped topping. We're going to add to that. Okay. Like I said, this is so simple and people really like them. So now we just want to mix that all together. It's going to be nice and creamy and delicious. I hope everybody's been enjoying Pumpkin Plaooza. I got the next coming up, because I did notice pumpkins are starting to become available now. So the next one is going to be, I've been waiting on the next one. I ain't going to let you know what it is yet. But I think everybody ought to get a kick out of it. It was very popular idea when I asked for ideas. So, okay, so that's all mixed up. So the only thing we got left to do now is put it in the cups, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator to let it set, or you know, for the pudding to set. Okay. So I got these little plastic cups, and all we need to do is try to do this without making a big giant mess. If you're having a little party at your house or just a gathering or whatever the case may be, this might be a good hit. Okay, so what I'll do is store these in the refrigerator. I ended up getting 9, and these are about 5-ounce cups. So you can, you could use a smaller cup, and you could use, just the ratios of whatever. So a little whipped topping on top. Ooh, that's a little runny. All right, then we're going to give it a taste. Wow. It tastes like eating a pumpkin pie. Oh, that's fantastic. You give them out, people will enjoy them. But it tastes just like a pumpkin pie with a kick. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. But there's so much stuff out there that you can do. But like I said before, make sure you come back for the next, because real pumpkins are coming in. I got a nice little surprise for you. I can't wait to do it. And I guess the last thing I got to say is cheers. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. All right, pumpkin pie.